general techniques where we're treating multiple segments at the same time. Chiropractors do. That when they manipulate somebody and it pops like three, it goes pop, pop, pop. That's a gross, when I say gross, meaning a non-specific technique. And they just kind of, and then they bam, and boom. Every joint that can move does move. The difference between what we do as physical therapists and what chiropractors do is that if we heard a pop, we only want one pop. Because we only want the force to go into one joint and one joint only. So in order for that to happen, you have to do what's called locking. So I want you to write this down. These are the rules in terms of setting up somebody for immobilization using locking in the lumbar spine. I don't know that this is spelled out as clearly in all these words that I typed up here. So this is more consolidating it to something more simple. So this is the rules. You're going to do is position from below into the position from below into the desired movement. Now what could be the desired movement? It could be that we want the spine to be neutral. It could be that we want the spine to flex. It could be that we want the spine to extend. It could be that we want the spine to side bend ipsy, or we want the spine to side bend contralateral. We have all these different choices that we can make. All of these are positions from below. So when we're going to set up our patients, we have to ask ourselves, what position do I desire for my technique? Do I want this in neutral? Do I want this in extension, flexion, side bending? What do I want? And then I'm going to teach you how to set that up. Then from above, then we're going to go up above, which means the trunk and the upper body. From above, we're now going to position and lock from above. Now, what you need to know is that in the spine, you have not locked the spine until you rotate it. So locking equals rotation. If I haven't rotated the spine, I haven't locked it. I've just positioned it. So rotation is not a movement that we use to position with. We use it to lock with. So it's a synonym. Rotation equals locking. Is everybody abundantly clear on that? I don't know how to say it any more clearly than I just said. Then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go back and lock from below. Which means we're going to rotate from below. So we will always follow that sequence. We will never, ever deviate from it. Okay? Now, now the question becomes, the next question we have to ask is, do we lock up to that question is, no, if absolutely positively know if the pane is before or at the barrier. We will not lock into the segment that we're treating. Maybe if the pane is after the barrier, maybe I will. I probably won't for the first time I mobilize that joint, but if they do okay with the first mobilization, then maybe the second time I mobilize it, I'll go ahead and lock into it. So it's a maybe. And the answer is an unequivocal yes if it is a painless hypo mobility. So you got a segment that has pane before the barrier. It's the L34 segment. There's a pane before the barrier. They went to go to extend and boom, it hurt. I then asked them, can you go a little bit further? And they were able to go 15 more degrees before we reached the barrier. Pane before the barrier. It's at L34. When I go to set them up, I'm going to position number one, the joint that needs to be treated is going to be in neutral, always in neutral in that case. And this is what it says this. It says this with that selection of techniques and grade. So I will position from below by making sure that L34 is in neutral. It's pane before the barrier, so I'm going to do specific traction. So now when I position and lock from above, I'm going to lock up to L23, but I will not lock into 3-4 because that's the joint that I'm treating. And then when I go back down below to lock in from below, I'll lock into 4-5, but not 3-4.